Hi everyone. Today we are going to tell you, if at all you're traveling in a resort or a hotel and you really you're craving for having Maggi, then there's a solution to it. So what you have to do is, as a first step, you have to take an electric kettle and fill it with almost half of it with water. This could be any water, mineral water or normal water, because anyways it's going to boil. So that shouldn't be an issue. So you have to get it to a boiling temperature. While we are boiling the water, what we can do is we can break the Maggi into smaller pieces, because that way it will be easier to put it into the kettle. This is how you can break it. You really not necessarily need to do it very well. So this is how it should look like after you've crushed it. Also, if you have a single pack of Maggi, then what you can do is you can crush it before opening the packet. So it will be easier. You can crush it inside and then open the packet. So now, as you see that the water is already boiled, we'll put these pieces of Maggi inside and we'll boil it again till the Maggi is completely boiled. So if you see, what we are doing is we are not putting the masala at this point in time, because the reason being that putting the masala and lesser water will spoil the kettle. So the intention is to keep the kettle as it was before our check-in. So we'll just take this water out once the Maggi is boiled, and then we'll add masala as the last step. So now, after putting the Maggi, you'll put the kettle on and let the water boil. So when it reaches the boiling, it's like sort of coming out, you have to put the kettle off and put it on again. So like you see, the water is boiling, it's coming up. So before it reaches to the upper level, we'll put the kettle off, and once the water level reaches down, we'll restart it again. You have to keep repeating this till the time the Maggi is boiled and it's ready to eat. This should tentatively take around 3 to 4 minutes at the higher side, 2 to 3 minutes at the lower side. So if you see, the Maggi is boiled well. Now what we'll do is we'll take out the excess water which we had kept to make sure that there's no harm to the kettle, and we'll then mix masala to it. So my kids love a little bit of water to it, so I make sure that I leave a little, but you can do as per your needs. Now you can just add the masala to it as per the requirement. And this also gives you the option of putting, if you're making it for 2 kids, you can adjust the masala per their plate or their cup, whatever you have, whatever utensil you have to mix it, and you can do it on a personalized basis. So if you see, a masala Maggi is ready to be eaten. You just have to make sure that immediately after taking the Maggi out of it, you should clean the kettle then and there, because then in one wash you will be able to clean it completely and there won't be any stains or anything left.